The other way is to just flood the zone. For example, if you've got a lot of macro beliefs that you really don't know where they're coming from, but you seem to be negatively programmed and you can't reach your goals, then we can flood a zone with positive affirmations about global stuff. So we'll start at the global and then we'll work our way into specifically what goal you want to reach. So for example, I want to stop smoking. We will say, okay, I deserve to be able to stop smoking. I deserve a healthy life. I deserve to be more happy. I deserve not to cough in the morning. I deserve to be able to taste stuff again, and I can stop smoking. I am a healthy non-smoker. It's going to go like that from macro into micro. So start off with this